the grain and flour industry, quality measurement plays a crucial role in the production process. The results determine which batch of grain is suitable for which product. However, today, this process is still carried out manually, is time-consuming, and requires multiple devices. In this video, we show how the SMS4Grain simplifies and accelerates this process and creates opportunities for further optimization through future automation. The current production and measurement process looks as follows. When grain arrives at the mill, a sample is first taken. That sample is then brought to the laboratory to determine its quality. The process consists of multiple measurements, each requiring its own device and procedure. The first measurement is the falling number test. This test indicates how active the enzyme amylase is in the grain, and thus how suitable the grain is for bread production. The sample is milled, mixed with water, and heated in a boiling tube. The time it takes for the mixture to settle determines the falling number. It is an accurate but manual process that takes several minutes per sample. The next measurement is the gluten index. In this test, part of the flour is mixed with a saline solution to isolate the gluten. The gluten is then weighed, rinsed, centrifuged, and measured. The result shows how strong the dough will be. This measurement also requires manual handling and specific expertise from the lab technician. The third measurement determines the moisture and protein content of the grain. For this, a NIR analyzer is used. The sample must be carefully prepared and placed into the machine. The analysis provides important information about the nutritional value and processing quality of the grain. Together, these three measurements take a significant amount of time, on average between 45 and 60 minutes per sample. Moreover, several employees are typically involved, each specialized in a different part of the process. Every manual step introduces the risk of variation or human error. During busy periods, this means that trucks carrying grain must wait for the quality control results before unloading. This slows down the entire intake process and can ultimately even affect the quality of the grain itself. The SMS4Grain reduces the entire measurement process to a single, simple step. With the SMS4Grain, all key quality indicators are measured in one operation. The analysis takes less than 9 minutes and can be performed by non-specialized personnel. The device combines the functions of several traditional instruments and can also determine the germination capacity of the grain, a test that normally takes several days. Instead of a series of separate measurements, there is now one integrated analysis. Instead of 5 to 10 different instruments, only one is needed. This reduces the risk of human error, saves time, and lowers the need for specialized staff. It also opens up new opportunities for automating quality control in the future, as the SMS4Grain can be integrated directly into the production process. Thanks to the shorter analysis time, grain batches can be assessed and assigned to the right processing line much faster. This shortens waiting times during grain intake, reduces waste, and supports more efficient planning across the entire value chain. In this way, the SMS4Grain contributes to faster throughput, fewer manual steps, and more consistent end product quality. The SMS4Grain makes grain quality measurement simpler, more reliable, and future-proof. A major step toward greater efficiency in the grain and flour industry.